Can machines truly surpass humans in the complex world of stock trading? This question has been at the forefront of financial discussions over the past decade. With the advent of artificial intelligence, or AI, the world of trading has been transformed. High-frequency trading, algorithmic strategies, and predictive analysis, these are just a few of the advancements that have been made possible by AI. In the past, trading was viewed as a human-centric field, with individuals relying on their intuition and experience to make decisions. However, recent years have seen an increasing shift towards AI-driven trading systems. These systems leverage machine learning and complex algorithms to analyze vast amounts of data, make predictions, and execute trades at a speed and accuracy level that is unattainable for a human trader. As we delve into this comparison, remember, it's not about choosing a side, but about understanding the distinct capabilities of both. AI versus human traders. The battle of the century is on. Let's explore this fascinating arena together. What makes AI-driven trading systems so transformative in the financial world? This question might have crossed your mind more than once. The answer lies in the immense advantages these systems offer over traditional human trading. For starters, AI systems are lightning fast. They can execute trades in microseconds, a speed no human can match. This swiftness gives them an edge in the volatile world of financial markets where every second counts. Secondly, these systems are incredibly efficient. They can process vast amounts of data, making sense of complex patterns that humans might overlook. It's like having an army of analysts working around the clock, never missing a beat. Lastly, AI eliminates one of the riskiest aspects of trading: human emotional bias. Fear and greed can cloud judgment and lead to costly mistakes. But AI doesn't have emotions. It makes decisions based on cold, hard data. Despite these impressive features, AI systems are not without their shortcomings. But that's a topic for the next scene. What unique strengths do human traders bring to the table? Indeed, in a world increasingly dominated by artificial intelligence, one might wonder what sets us humans apart. Well, the answer lies in our inherent human traits, those that cannot be replicated by algorithms. Consider the ability to understand context. Human traders can interpret news and events, discerning their potential impact on the markets. They can take into account political climate, global events, and even cultural nuances, factors often beyond the grasp of AI. Then, there's intuition, that gut feeling that often guides decisions. It's something that's uniquely human, born out of experience and knowledge accumulated over the years. Finally, humans have the capacity to adapt to unprecedented situations. In the face of an unforeseen market crash or a sudden economic boom, humans can think on their feet, make strategic decisions, and adjust their trading strategies accordingly. While human traders offer unique advantages, they too have their limitations. So what are the limitations of AI-driven trading systems and human traders? Without a doubt, each side has its own set of challenges. AI-driven trading systems, while fast and data-driven, lack the human intuition that often plays a key role in trading. They're unable to understand the context behind sudden market changes and are susceptible to technical glitches that could potentially result in significant financial losses. On the flip side, human traders, while possessing the ability to understand market nuances and react to unexpected situations, are not without their flaws. Emotional bias can often cloud judgment, leading to less than optimal trading decisions. Additionally, humans simply can't match the speed of AI in processing large amounts of data, which can be a disadvantage in a fast-paced trading environment. To illustrate, consider a sudden market downturn. AI might respond quickly based on data, but miss subtle signals that a human might pick up on. Conversely, a human trader might let fear influence their actions, potentially missing an opportunity. Indeed, both AI systems and human traders have their strengths and weaknesses. So, what does the future hold for trading? As we've seen, both AI-driven trading systems and human traders have their distinct advantages and drawbacks. AI shines in its ability to process vast amounts of data in mere seconds, making decisions based on patterns and trends that may elude the human eye. Yet humans bring to the table their intuitive understanding of market sentiment, something AI is yet to fully grasp. Looking to the horizon, we see a fusion of these two forces, a hybrid approach that marries the computational prowess of AI with the emotional intelligence of humans. This symbiosis could potentially unlock unprecedented levels of efficiency and accuracy in trading. The future of trading isn't a battlefield where man contends with machine, rather it's an arena where both entities collaborate, leveraging their unique strengths. As we venture into this exciting era, let's remember one thing. Remember, in the world of trading, it's not about man versus machine, but man and machine working together. As we prepare to embark on this fascinating journey into the future of trading, we invite you to join us. This is a call to action for everyone out there. Whether you're a seasoned trader, a tech enthusiast, or simply a curious mind, there's a place for you in this exciting new world, and we're here to help you navigate it. So, don't forget to like this video if you found it informative, share it with your friends and colleagues to spread the knowledge, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on the intersection of technology and finance. Together, let's explore the future where man and machine work hand in hand to revolutionize the world of trading. Remember, it's not about man versus machine, but man and machine working together. In the end, we want to express our heartfelt gratitude to you for taking the time to watch this video. We hope it has been enlightening and has piqued your interest about the future of trading. Remember, the future is not something that just happens, it's something we create. And you're a part of that creation. So don't just watch the future unfold, be a part of shaping it. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future updates. Stay informed, stay prepared, and most importantly, stay curious. Because curiosity is the key to innovation, and innovation is the key to the future. Once again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.